Hi guys, I'm Rob from Currys, and today we're taking a look at 3 great features of the Acer Aspire Vero laptop with Intel Evo 13th Gen processor. It works seamlessly with your other devices using Intel Unison. It's got an eco-friendly design that makes repair and recycling easier, and it's even made with more sustainable materials. We're going to head to the lab where we can check this out in more detail. Diving straight in, first impressions, I love how lightweight it is given how powerful the laptop is. The design, it's premium, and I love that it doesn't sacrifice on performance. I really like this speckled design. I love that they've got the engraved Intel Evo, and to highlight the fact that it's recycled, they've got the RE backwards, and I love that. This laptop makes it easier to get things done, and that is because it's got Intel Unison. And what it basically does is it connects your laptop with your phone. So I'm just going to get my phone up and load out the Intel Unison app. What I can do is I can take all the photos that are on my phone and put them onto the laptop, which means if I want to do a bit of photo editing, it's really easy to do. And to demonstrate this, I'm just going to take a quick photo of the laptop. And as you can see, it jumps straight onto my laptop, which makes it really easy to access. Also, it means if I'm working away on my laptop and I get a phone call, rather than having to answer it on my phone, I can take that call on my laptop. Basically, Intel Unison, it just makes things easier. A big part of the eco-friendly design is making sure that you're able to repair or upgrade the laptop rather than just replace it. There's extra space allocation, and it also has standard screws, which means you can do any of this at home for yourself. So whether you wanted to upgrade your storage or repair any hardware issues, it means you can keep your laptop going for longer. It's even made up of 40% recycled plastic, which means the product itself has less of an environmental impact. But I don't think it's compromised on the design because it is a really nice looking product. Even the packaging it arrives in has thought about sustainability too. It's all 100% recyclable, and that has been reduced as well. If you want to find out more about this Acer laptop, you can visit us in store, head online, or chat to one of our tech experts on the Shop Live video call.